If your skin suddenly feels tight, red, itchy, burns when you apply any product, or breakouts randomly, your skin barrier is damaged. This usually happens from over-exfoliation using too many actives or constantly switching products. Fix it by stopping all exfoliation, no scrub, no acids, no retinol, no vitamin C and no peels. Keep your routine simple. Use a gentle, non-foaming cleanser. Then moisturize. Your moisturizer should contain ceramides, glycerin and fatty acids. These are what actually repair your skin barrier. And don't skip sunscreen. If you skip it, your barrier will never heal. UV damage keeps breaking it down, so use a gentle sunscreen every day.